Om Shri Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Hi my dear students, good evening to all. As I told you yesterday, today I am going to deal with factorization of quadratic polynomials by splitting the middle term. Once I will explain one problem, x square minus 5x plus 6. It's a quadratic polynomial and I want to find out its factors by using splitting the middle term. Since this is a quadratic polynomial, it will have two factors. Its degree is 2, it will have two factors. So first what we have to do, if nothing is there beside x square, means the coefficient of x square is not mentioned over there, we need to keep 1 over there. So step 1 what we have to do, multiply 1 and 6. The product we get is 6. So what we have to do, we need to multiply 1 and 6 including symbols. Both are positive. 1 is positive here and 6 is also positive. Positive into positive, positive only. So 1 6 is 6. Okay na? Okay. Now we need to search for two numbers. We need to search for two numbers whose product is 6 and sum is the middle one with symbol. Okay na? We need to search for two numbers whose product is 6 and sum is minus 5. Okay? Now, easily we can say that 2 into 3 is 6, but 2 plus 3 is not negative 5. 2 plus 3 is not negative 5. So what we have to do, we need to take negative 2 into negative 3, which is positive 6, and negative 2 plus negative 3, which is negative 5. So here A and B are, one is negative 2, the other one is negative 3. So we need to write here x square negative 3x negative 2x plus 6. That means we are splitting the middle term negative 5x as negative 3x negative 2x. Now from these two terms we can take x common, remaining is x minus 3, and from these two terms negative 2 common, remaining is x minus 3. Now again if we take x minus 3 common, we have remaining x minus 2. So x minus 3 and x minus 2 are the factors of the given quadratic polynomial. This is what we can call it as splitting the middle term, finding the factors of a quadratic polynomial using splitting the middle term. Now we will see different types of polynomials, quadratic polynomials with real coefficients. Now we see integral coefficients. Coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is minus 5 and constant is 6. Now we can see real coefficients. Maybe the coefficients are rational numbers, means in fractions, or in irrational numbers, that is also we can see now. I'm going to give you an example. See here. Suppose a problem is there like this. If there is a problem like this, 6 minus x square. How to do this one? It is like a different one because it is not in the general form. It is not in the general form. See, x square is at the end and constant in the beginning. How to do this? So don't worry, you have to do in the same way. What is the middle term? Negative x. So we need to keep 1 beside 2x. So middle term is negative 1x. What is coefficient of x square? Negative 1. Because nothing is there beside x square. So we need to keep 1 over there. So here middle term is negative 1 and coefficient of x square is negative 1. Now what we have to do? As usual, coefficient of x square and constant we need to multiply. Coefficient of x square and constant we need to multiply, including symbols. Including symbols. So what we have to do? Minus 1 into 6. This is positive 6. Minus 1 into positive 6. We will get negative 6. We will get negative 6. Once again, what we have to do? Multiply the coefficient of x square with constant. So minus 1 into 6 minus 6. Now you need to split this one into two numbers whose product is negative 6 and the sum is negative 1. Sum is negative 1. Can anyone say the numbers, the two numbers? You can type it. You can type the two numbers if possible. Yes, good evening Ashish. Can you say the two numbers? 3 and 2. But 3 plus 2 is 5, not minus 1. Yes, minus 3 2, right. Minus 3 2, right. This Pavitra, minus 2 plus 3 is wrong, Pavitra. Because we need to get minus 1 in the beginning. Minus 1 in the beginning means minus 1. The sum we need to get is minus 1. The sum of two numbers we need to get is minus 1. So what we can take? Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So the pair is minus 3 and 2. So how to write here? 6 minus 3x plus 2x minus x square. Understand, Pavitra? It is minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So this negative 1 is split like that. Now, from these two, what we can take common? 3. So remaining is 2 minus x. And from these two, what we can take common? X. Remaining is 2 minus x. So, if I take again 2 minus x common, 3 plus x. So, the factors of 6 minus x plus minus x square. 6 minus x square is 2 minus x into 3 plus x. Okay, children? Now we'll see one more. We'll see one more. Now you see this one. X square plus 3 root 3x plus 6. X square plus 3 root 3x plus 6. You see this one. Observe the middle term, everyone. Coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Middle term, 3 root 3. Irrational coefficient. Middle term is having irrational coefficient. And constant is 6. Step 1 as it is. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 6 is 6. So we need to divide this 6 into two numbers whose product is 6 and the sum is 3 root 3. Sum is 3 root 3. So children, one thing you have to remember here A value, B value, you need to think as here integral coefficient doesn't work out here. Integral factors doesn't work out. Integral factors రావు ఇక్కడ irrational factors వస్తాయి. ఎలా ఆలోచించాలి? In that way you need to think. You can't say 2 3s are 6 or minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. because the sum you need to get is 3 root 3. The sum you need to get is 3 root 3. So what are the irrational factors for 6? Irrational factors for 6. See here. You can observe all the coefficients are positives. All the coefficients are positives. Coefficient of x square positive 1. Coefficient of x positive 3 root 3. Constant is also positive 6. Now that means what for we are searching here? For a value, for b value. So no need to think of about negative factors. We need to think of about positive factors. Positive irrational factors. Both a and b are positive, but they are irrationals. So what we have to take? A root 3 into b root 3 must be 6. A root 3 into b root 3 must be equal to 6. Then what we have to keep in the place of a and b, so that the product is 6. Okay na? So what I am doing, you see here, I will keep 1 in the place of a and 2 in the place of b. Now you multiply this. 1 root 3 into 2 root 3. 1 2s are 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 3s are 6. Did you understand? We need to split this 6 into a into b, so that their product is 6 and sum is 3 root 3. If you observe, the irrational part is here root 3. So that's why I am taking the two numbers as a root 3 and b root 3. A root 3 and b root 3. Now I need to put a value for a. I am keeping 1. And another value for b I am keeping 2. So 1 root 3 into 2 root 3. 1 root 3 into 2 root 3, which is 6. And 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3, it is 3 root 3. In that way we need to do. X square plus 1 root 3x plus 2 root 3x plus 6. Okay then? Right. Now x square plus root 3x plus 2 root 3x plus, what I will do is, I will write this 6 as root 3 into 2 root 3. Here also. Root 3 into 2 root 3, it is 6. Now, from the first two, I can take x common. Remaining is x plus root 3. And from the last two, I will take 2 root 3 common plus 2 root 3 common. Remaining is x plus root 3. So, what are the factors? X plus root 3 into x plus 2 root 3. X plus root 3 into x plus 2 root 3. Understand, children? Okay. Once again, you need to choose for two values a and b. Two values a and b, whose product is 6 and sum is 3 root 3. Sum is 3 root 3. Okay then? Right. One more example we will see. Yeah. X square plus 7 root 6x plus 60. X square plus 7 root 6x plus 60. This same type of example I took, because if there is any, if anyone is need any clarity, so one more example I am doing the same, so that you can understand it betterly. Right? Okay. 1 here, 1 into 60, 60. So we need to divide this 60 into 2, a into b. A into b is 60, a plus b is 7 root 6. A plus b is 7 root 6. Now, as I told you, since the irrational part is root 6, so that those two numbers A may be A root 6 into B root 6. A root 6 into B root 6 must be equal to 60. అట్లా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ irrational part ఏముంది? root 6 ఉంది. సో ఒక నెంబర్ మనం one number we will take it as A root 6, the other number is B root 6. Now we need to search for A and B so that their product must be equal to 60. Understand, children? Now what I will put here, I will keep here, see here, irrational part 6 na, and rational part 7. So here I have to put two numbers here, A and B, so that A plus B, this one I get 7. So I will do like this, 2 root 6 into 5 root 6. 2 root 6 into 5 root 6. See, 2 plus 5, 7. Okay na? So 2 root 6 plus 5 root 6, it becomes 7 root 6. And product, 2 5s are 10. Root 6 into root 6, 6. So 10 into 6, 60. So A into B is 60, A plus B is 7 root 6. Like that we need to think. Okay na, children? Now what I do? X square plus 2 root 6x plus 5 root 6x plus, and this 60 I am writing it as 2 root 6 into 5 root 6. I will write this 60 as 2 root 6 into 5 root 6. So this one I will take x common, remaining is x plus 2 root 6. And here I will take 5 root 6 common, 5 root 6 common, remaining is x plus 2 root 6. So in overall, if I take x plus 2 root 6 common, remaining is x plus 5 root 6. Remaining is x plus 5 root 6. Okay, children? Did you understand? Okay, na? Now, one more problem we'll see. Two root 3x square, 2 root 3x square plus 5x plus x minus 5 root 3. Is that right? 2 root 3x square plus x minus 5 root 3. This problem. Constant is negative. ఈ నెగటివ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడే మీరు కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. నెగటివ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడే. So children, kindly multiply coefficient of x square and constant and tell the value. What is the value? Type in the chat. Multiply 2 root 3 with minus 5 root 3. Tell the answer. Write the answer. Tulasi, wrong. It is not 30, Tulasi. Yes. Kishore Kumar. Who is Kishore Kumar? He is right. Negative 30 is right. Sauryesh. See, coefficient of x square is 2 root 3. Nation correct. Coefficient of x square is 2 root 3 and constant is minus 5 root 3. Constant is minus 5 root 3. So we'll get negative 30. We'll get negative 30. Right. We need to search for two numbers. We need to search for two numbers A and B. Their product is negative 30 and sum is 1. Sum is positive 1. Their sum must be positive 1. How to do this? Okay, na? Children, this is a different type of sum, because if you see the coefficient of x, it is a rational number. It is a rational number. So you need to search for a value, b value is both are rationals. Both must be rationals because the coefficient of x is rational. What is coefficient of x? Type in the chat box. Coefficient of x. Type in the chat box. What is coefficient of x? No one? 1, right. Coefficient of x is 1, which is a rational number. Which is a rational number. So a and b are also, we need to see for rational numbers only for this type of problem. Okay, na? So it is easy, na? Then it is easy. 5 into negative 6. 5 into negative 6 is negative 30. And minus 5 into positive 6. Sorry. Minus 5 into positive 6 is negative 30. And minus 5 plus 6 is positive 1. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నాను. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x ఏముంటుంది? 1, which is a rational number. Even though coefficient of x square and constant are irrationals, because we are having coefficient of middle term is rational number, we need to search for only rational numbers like this. Okay, minus 5 into 6 minus 30, minus 5 plus 6 is 1 middle term. Okay, na? Now do this. 2 root 3 x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. So this is the splitting of middle term. We need to get 1 in the middle. So 6x minus 5x. Okay. Now again one more step I am writing. 2 root 3 x square plus, here this 6 we can write it as 2 root 3 into root 3x. This 6 I am writing like this. 2 root 3 into root 3x minus 5x minus 5 root 3 minus 5x minus 5 root 3. Why I am writing like this? So that I can take 2 root 3x common in the first two terms. So that I can take 2 root 3 common. 2 root 3 common easily. Okay. So 2 root 3x common, remaining is x plus root 3. Remaining is x plus root 3. And here I can take minus 5 common. Remaining is x plus root 3. Okay. Now again, if I take x plus root 3 common, here 2 root 3 x minus 5. 2 root 3x minus 5. So the factors are x plus root 3 into 2 root 3x minus 5. This is a different model. Okay. We will see one more like this. We will see one more like this. Root 5x square plus 2x minus 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5. Again you see the middle term is a rational number. Middle term is a rational number. Now as it is, root 5 into minus 3 root 5. What is the value? Type in the chat box. Root 5 into minus 3 root 5. Tulasi Vardhan, negative 15, correct. Negative 15, correct. Kishore, who is Kishore Kumar? He wrote 15. 15 wrong, Nana. 15 wrong. Akshay Nation, right? It is negative 15. Negative 15 is right. Now, split this negative 15 into two numbers. Product is negative 15 and sum is positive 2. Sum is positive 2. నేను ఇందాక చెప్పాను మీకు మిడిల్ టర్మ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఉంది అంటే ఏబీలు కూడా రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి, ఇర్రేషనల్స్ రావు. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఏ అండ్ బి? కైండ్లీ టెల్. ఏ అండ్ బి. Can anyone say what is A and what is B? Their product must be minus 15 and sum must be 2. Yes, Muhammad Hamza, good. Minus 3 into 5, correct. Yes. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. Okay. Now substitute. Root 5x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 3 root 5. Okay, na? This 2x is we split like this. Now, what we can take common over here? What we can take common? We can take root 5x common. We can take root 5x common. So remaining is x plus root 5. X plus root 5 because root 5x into root 5, 5x. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. So here we are getting x plus root 5. And here what we can take common? Minus 3. So remaining is x plus root 5. So x plus root 5 into root 5x minus 3. Root 5x minus 3. Understand, children? So these two are the factors. Now we'll go ahead with another model. What is that? See this one. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. If you see the constant value here, it is a fraction. Constant value is a fraction. So for this type of problems, what we have to do? We need to take LCM first. We need to take LCM. What is LCM? 8. Okay. Now what we will get here? 16x square. And what we will get here? Minus 8x. And here plus 1. So after this what we have to do? Take 1 by 8 like this aside and write the remaining quadratic polynomial like this. Okay, children. Now as it is 16 into 1, 16. We need to split 16 into two numbers so that their product is 16 and sum is minus 8. Can anyone guess what are those two numbers? Can anyone guess? Any guesses? Only 17 are joined. Okay, no problem. Any guesses? We need to get 16 as a product. Yes. And sum is negative 8. Yes, minus 4, correct. So 1 by 8, 16x square minus 4x plus 1. So 1 by 8. You can take 4x common here. Remaining is 4x minus 1. And here you can take minus 1 common. Remaining is 4x minus 1. So 1 by 8 into 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. So So these are the factors. 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 is called constant factor. You can call it as a constant factor or scalar product or scalar number. Okay na? So we can say it as a constant factor because 1 by 8 is a constant. So for this polynomial 1 by 8 is also one of the factors. It is a constant factor. And at 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 are binomials. Okay na? Right. We will see one more model. We will see one more. 9 into 2a minus b whole square minus 4 into 2a minus b minus 13. This is a different model which is not there in NCERT. It's a different model. Quadratic polynomial only. Okay na? So what we have to do is, see here, this 2a minus b, what I will do for such models, let 2a minus b, I will take it as x. I will consider 2a minus b as x. So then the polynomial becomes 9x square minus 4x minus 13. Understand children? Em chestanu? Ee 2a minus b undi kada, I will take it as x. I will take it as x. So the polynomial becomes 9x square minus 4x minus 13. Okay? Now Sharma Mamule, same as 9 into minus 13, how much? Negative 117. Negative 117. And we need to search for two numbers whose product is negative 117 and sum is negative 4. Sum is negative 4. Any guesses? Any guesses from you? Tulasi Vardhan told negative 13 and 9. Any other guesses? Yes. Yes, good. So here 9x square negative 13x plus 9x minus 13. Okay. Now what we can take common here? We can take only x as common. Because in 9 and 13 we cannot take anything common. So 9x minus 13. And here we can take only one common. Answer is 9x minus 13. So 9x minus 13 and x plus 1. Ikkada to equal sum. What is x? 2a minus b. What is x? 2a minus b. So what we have to do? We have to replace x here. Replace x. 9 into 2a minus b minus 13 and 2a minus b plus 1. So 18a minus 9b minus 13 is one factor. 2a minus b plus 1 is another factor. Understand children? So after getting this, we need to insert x value. We need to insert x value. 9 into 2a minus b minus 13 and x plus 1, 2a minus b plus 1. These are the two factors. Understand children? So these are some important models in quadratic polynomials, factorizing a quadratic polynomial. There are still 2-3 models are there. I will discuss tomorrow and we will go ahead with another concept in polynomials only. Okay na? So if you like this, kindly put like, and don't forget to solve the problems in RS Agarwal. From exercise, this exercise, there are nearly 60 problems in that exercise, quadratic polynomials. Solve all those 60 problems, and tomorrow I left with 2 to 3 models only that we will discuss, and we will go to the next topic. Okay, tomorrow. So if you want, you can note down this one. Otherwise, you can take screenshot for this. Okay, na? And you can leave the class. Dhanyawad. Okay, Nana. If you want, you can take the screenshot. This is very, very important model. You can take the screenshot and you can leave. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. ఎవరో కొందరు ఎదవలు ఉంటారు ఇలా చేస్తారు.